starting up a load of towels in the dryer. I'll just show you first a few things. Roof filter, quite easy to clean. Timer, can start there, about 160 minutes. I've actually wrote it all down on there, both ways. Heat button, keep it on full heat. And the towels, right, let's put them in. $2 kilo, 2.6, 3.1, 3.5, 3.9, 4.5. 5.1, 5.3, 5.5 kilo. Normally these timings are based on between 800 and 1000 RPM for a medium type, like cotton thickness, but these are very thick, so you need to go on longer. However, these have been spun at 1600, and I find that if you fold these timings for towels, they're actually a little bit too long. So 80 to 100. Put it onto 90. There it goes. Could do the light here, but I've got one on me. I forgot this watch. Now that may be a timer, but there's like two different timers. There's a timer for how long you want it, and there's a timer, shall we say, beside it, that times it about 2.5 minutes going one way, and then changes going the other way for 2.5 minutes. And it doesn't matter where it stops or anything, it will sort of like continue. It will continue from wherever that 2.5 minutes is. So for example, it's been going for like 1 minute that way, and it gets to the end of the cycle. Next time you put it on, it'll go for another 1.5 minutes for stopping and going the other way. This is quite a basic dryer with just a timer and the heat and the start button. But yeah, I've got one of the best washers you can buy from Hotpoint today. Apart from the qualities. But that's a bit too expensive. You'll notice there's a few dents, there's one there, scratches. But this was bought from eBay for 103 quid. Bargain. It's actually brand new. It was actually brand new. Just the next display model. Would have cost 160 quid. So I saved 57 quid just buying off eBay.